Hey there, looks like you found my Fearless Starter Kit. I'm Yamilet Williams, but my coaching clients and jumpers in our community call me Dr. Yam. I'm the Keep It Simple coach for individuals like yourself who want to jump off their fear fence, forget about that procrastination, and launch the dream biz that they've always wanted for themselves with confidence and success. And they just need a little bit of help, or maybe a lot. But either way, I can help you get there. Now, you might have also answered no to the question of whether or not you know what questions to ask yourself before you start a business. And don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, 60% of the business owners who started the business didn't know the answers either. In fact, they really wish they did because it probably would have saved them a lot of time and a lot of money. Now, these 5 resources were designed to focus on what's critically important at the very beginning, your entrepreneurial mindset. Let me give you a quick tour of the files that you have in a folder when you download it called Fearless Starter Kit. And just in case you didn't already do so, please download it. There's a link right here for you to do so. Starting with the end in mind is my strategy. It comes from my project management background. Now, this means where you're going to start launch day because that's where you're headed. So the launch day checklist is where I want for you to take a quick peek at what it is that you'll have to look forward to on your journey. Next, take the Are You Ready assessment. And again, don't worry, just check off what you know. And if you don't know, don't check it off. We're going to meet you wherever you are and get you to your goal of a launch day. And then third, proceed with reading your Facing Your Entrepreneurial Fears guidebook. And I've also provided you a complimentary journal so that you can capture your notes and reflect on your thoughts as you go through this journey. And last but not least, I have for you is the 5 building blocks for the foundations that you don't want to miss so that you can have success. And if you stick with me, I'll make sure that doesn't happen. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, it sure would be great if I had a community of people who were like me going through this journey. I've got you covered. Click here in the bottom below. You'll see a link to the Jumpstart Your Dream Biz Facebook group where women get mad, motivated, accountable, and determined. It's where I serve as your guide, your GPS to success and progress. And that's certainly what I want for you. That's it for right now. See you in the community. And this is Dr. Yam, your Keep It Simple coach. Let's get busy.